Good day. My name's Robert Farrell. Hey, if you're not monetizing your Zoom events, I have to tell you, you're not working smart. I have developed a complete turnkey system. There's nothing like this out there because I built this myself. You can monetize your Zoom events with package prices, incentives, coupons. You can also offer rebates to the people that attend your event. So as an example, if they share your event with somebody else and they buy, you can incentivize them with rewards. Let me share with you how this works. So if you go over to my site, click the banner ad, go over to my site and check out more of my training videos for free. I don't charge anything for my training videos. Watch this video here. If you click here, this will take you into more in depth, but here are reasons that you want to basically take advantage of my system. So here's one of my clients, Brian McVernon. He's a touring musician that unfortunately is down right now because of COVID. So you can charge whatever you want for your events, but you can also package price your events and you can offer incentives at checkout. So let's say as an example, a person adds this to their cart, you can incentivize them with $3, $4, $5, whatever you want to offer. Now, here's another one of my rock solid clients. This is Tim Davis. Many of you probably know who he is. He's worked with Celine Dion, Barbra Streisand. He was also the vocal director on Glee TV show for 7 years. Now he has a live event coming up May 1st. Now he charges individual ticket prices, but also he bundles our tickets, and that's working smart. So let me share with you a scenario. Let's say as an example, they're going to charge $30 for your event. Now some of you might say, geez, Robert, that sounds excessive. Nonsense. People are paying hundreds of dollars for a live event. With COVID shut down, we're all locked in our houses. You don't think people are going to pay $25, $30? It's called value. Value yourself, value your time, value your energy, what you're offering, your webinars, your musicianship. You're a theater person, you teach yoga. So let's work smart here. So let's look at the calculator. So let's say that you charged $30 and you have a fan base of 50. Now, I know many of you have a lot more than that, but let's be very conservative. I want you to walk before you could run. So if you have a fan base of 50 people and you were to charge $30, well, that's $1,500. Now, let's work smart here. What if you were to incentivize these people? Now, what I suggest you do is don't market your live event next week. Do 2-3 weeks in advance. Now, the advantage of my system is you're going to get paid right away. So you could basically collect funds right now and use some of those funds for advertising to market more events inside of social media, Facebook, YouTube, et cetera, et cetera. So if you take a look at the calculator again, so if you do incentivize, you're charging $30 for a ticket. Let's say you're going to pay $10. Now you might say, geez, Robert, that's 30% of my profit. Why would I do that? Why? Do you want to make $30 for 50 tickets, or do you want to make $20 for 150 tickets? Do the math. That's working smart. So let me share with you how this works. So let's say in the course of the next 3 to 4 weeks, because you're marketing in advance, that each one of your fan base, webinar people, et cetera, send you 3 people. So the next thing you know, you have 150 people. So 3 times 5, 50 is 150. Now, here is what's cool about my system. My software will not only pay a fee to the person who recommended your event, we can also pay a fee to the person that recommended that person. Now, I don't want this to sound like Mary Kay Cosmetics or Amway, because it's not. It's simply clever marketing 101. You're basically rewarding them. So let's say that you're going to send the person, so let's say Mary sends you 3 people, and the 3 people that Mary sends 2 people, okay? So watch how this can add up very quickly. Now, the first go around, maybe you incentivize with $8 or $10. The second go around, maybe it's $3. It's found money. So out of a total of 2 people, you're going to pay out $13. So let me share with you how this works. So we already established that you have 150 people. Now, out of those 150 people, again, let's be conservative. Let's not go nuts here. Let's say that for every 150 people, they recommended 2 people to your event. So now that's 300 people, okay? So 150 times 2 is 300. Now, keep in mind that you're paying $10 to the first level of people and $3 to the other people. So out of a $30 ticket, you're pocketing $17. But here's what you're not thinking about. You now have 300 people that you're making $17 on. That's now $5,100. Now, if you go back to your original fan base of 50 people at $30, that's only 1,500 people. So I want you to work smart. I've been doing online marketing and sales for 25 years. Do I have all the answers? Oh, hell no. If I made mistakes, you betcha. But I've been in the trenches and always honing my skill set and getting better and better. I teach online, I market online, I sell online. I live in New York City across from Central Park. I enjoy life. I'm also a musician, as you can see my guitars in the background here. I play saxophone, drums, piano, and guitar, but not at the same time. So if you want to work smart, head over to my website. I'm here to help you every step of the way. But I can assure you 100% nothing will happen if you choose to do nothing. So stay home, stay positive, stay safe. Carpe Diem 2020, my name is Robert Farrell. Start working smart by monetizing your Zoom event. Have a good day.